Hi there, I am Cheshta, and in this video, I'm going to discuss what is the pattern of Indian Patent Agent Examination. Let me quickly share my screen with you and show you how do the paper look like. So there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. So I'm sharing my screen with you. Let's talk about the pattern in detail. So this on the screen, I'm sharing paper 1. So Indian Patent Agent Examination, paper 1, total marks is 100 and time duration is 2 hours. It happens in the morning shift. Then this paper is divided into 3 parts. Part A, 60 marks, Part B, 10 marks, Part C, 30 marks. All questions are compulsory and candidates should answer questions very, very carefully because there are multiple choice questions and they are like quite confusing. There's no negative marking, that is a good point. So in the Part A, you will get 30 MCQs and one of them is the correct answer. So for example, the question 1 is that as per Patent Act 1970, first compulsory license granted in DIA 2. So the correct answer is to Natco Pharma on 9th March 2012. So likewise, there are a lot of questions in that. After that, in Part B, there are true and false question. There's a situation given. Let me scroll down a bit. Yes, this is Part B. It has got true and false question. And Part C again has multiple choice question, but Part C is a little more tricky as there can be more than one correct option. So this is the pattern of paper 1. All the questions are from Patent Act 1970 and its application in the real world. And then there's a paper 2, which happens in the afternoon shift. There's a break between paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 2 is again of 100 marks, but the duration is 3 hours because it's a subjective paper. So you will be given answer sheet to write down the answers to the question. And here the time management is a key skill because you have to write answer in detail. So this paper is also divided into 3 parts, A, B, and C. So let's talk about each part. So Part A has got subjective answers. For example, you have to write note on non-patentable inventions in India. So you have to write about Section 3 of Patent Act 1970. Then Part B is a question on patent case study. Yeah. So there's some case study given, there's some situation given, and you have to give an advice as a patent professional, as a consultant, that how you will advise to your client. Then Part C is of patent drafting, in which there's a choice between the question because there are inventions from different fields of science. So you can choose which invention you want to draft depending upon your background. So in Part C1, you have to write down title of the invention, you have to write down abstract, that is 150 words, and 2 claims of the invention. So let's in this paper, the question number 8, there's an invention related to garden hose, and entire invention is described and with the mechanical engineering drawing that how this product works. And if you're not from engineering background, you can choose another question to answer. You can also draft a patent related to hair conditioning product or process. And a formulation is given. So people from chemistry background or organic chemistry will find it a little easier to draft this patent. And then Part C2 has also got like patent drafting question. So again, there's a choice between like there's an apparatus invention which is given that how does the apparatus work, which is an apparatus and method of collecting liquids. So there's an entire invention which you have to read, you have to understand, and you have to understand the diagram, what does it contain. And then there's another invention of noise filter. So or there's a choice that which invention you are able to understand. So the trick here is that you have to read the invention and you have to analyze that which you are able to understand in a better manner, and then write down title, abstract, and the claims. So claims are generally you have to write down independent claim and dependent claim. So that is a little tricky part over here. Rest examination is entirely based on Patent Act 1970, patent filing procedures, case studies, and patent drafting. So it's a mix of patent law, and it will be utilizing your scientific knowledge because it will be tested how you understand the invention, how you approach the invention, what type of claims you're writing for your client. So that's it for today's video. If you have more questions, write down in the comment section and I'll create more videos for you. Thank you so much. Bye.